Meaning of fiber optics.
Fiber optics.
Fiber optics.
Fiber optics.
Fiber optics. Fiber optics refers to the technology of transmitting information through the use of thin strands of glass or plastic fibers. These fibers are designed to guide and transmit light signals over long distances with minimal signal loss. By using fiber optic cables, data can be transmitted at very high speeds and over longer distances compared to traditional copper cables. The result is improved communication and faster data transfer rates, which have made fiber optics an essential technology in telecommunications, internet connectivity, and many other industries that rely on high-speed data transmission.